Hello world, here's BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and this is your daily 5-minute turbo update for Bitcoin. Let's start. And here it is, on the daily, we should buy Bitcoin. The summary is telling us buy Bitcoin, the moving averages are telling us strong buy Bitcoin, but now oscillators are not neutral. Oscillators are telling us, okay, we should sell Bitcoin. Really interesting. Let's check the next thing. What's telling us? The 4 hours, buy, strong buy, neutral. The 2 hours, buy, strong buy, neutral. On the 1 hour time frame, buy, neutral. So the most time frames are telling us we should buy Bitcoin. Really interesting. This now is a really interesting stuff. This is the 5-hour chart. On the 5-hour chart, every candle is 5 hours. I found this, guys. This was the Doge star, the bearish Doge star with a medium reliability. And after this, we saw a downgoing Bitcoin. This was a really nice indicator for a downgoing Bitcoin. Let's check the next thing. This is the daily time frame. Every candle here is 1 day. On the downside, you can see our big problem. I have a big problem with this. This is the RSI, Relative Strength Index, and we have a downgoing RSI. This is the red line. This is our resistance line. Look at this, and here is an upgoing price for Bitcoin. This is a bearish divergence, and this is a really big problem because I think it's really possible to see very soon here a big downgoing Bitcoin price because of this bearish divergence. So remember this, keep this in your mind, remember this bearish divergence. The next stuff, guys, let's remove the RSI. This is our Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point. And you can see here our lines. Bitcoin is reacting so nice. Here, Bitcoin broke over this first Fibonacci line, back again, retesting it, breaking out to the next. Not a perfect retest, but retested. Breaking out, retested. Breaking out, retesting. And that's the big thing now, guys. We are now over our Fibonacci, over our first big target, 51,000. This is the Fibonacci 0.618. And we saw a nice breakout yesterday with the candle. Now we're going down a little bit and we see now a retest, or we saw a retest of 51,000. The next big thing is what's next? Can we see 57,000? This is the 0.786 Fibonacci, or will we go down taking a deep breath for the next big leg to the upside? This is now the question. We will check this together, guys. Here, if we check here the candles, you can see it here. We saw here a bearish harami. This is the first attention for me. Then an upgoing price, a nice leg over this. Now we're building the next bearish harami. In my opinion, it's really possible to go down from here. In my opinion, it's really possible maybe to go down under our 51,000, under our Fibonacci line. Watch this bearish harami. This is not uninteresting. The ribbon band is also very deep. We have a lot of space. So why not to touch 48,300 again? Why not to coming down under this Fibonacci and touching 48,300? It's really possible. The next thing, guys, is let's go in the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour ribbon band, really low, 50,000. So it's really possible to come down from here. But guys, if you see this big spike to the downside, you can think about an upgoing Bitcoin price. If you see a big spike to the upside, it's possible to go down. But now we have also a big spike to the downside, so it's also possible to go up. It's not easy for the moment. Let's check the candles, and that's really interesting. We saw here the bullish harami, a nice upgoing Bitcoin price. Here the bearish harami, and maybe a downgoing Bitcoin price. So we have to watch this. Can we form here the next bullish one, or will we go down again? Will we go down under 51,000? That's the big question in my opinion, guys. What is telling us very quick the MACD? We will check this also on the 4-hour time frame. MACD is bullish, really nice, but you can see it's coming down again. Here we built some dark green candles, here light green candles. Maybe we're coming down again. Maybe we see a cross here, the blue line under the brown line, and this would be a bearish cross. So we need to watch this MACD also. It's really important. Let's go very quick in the 1-hour time frame. So, and in a 1-hour time frame, we saw a big spike to the upside, a downgoing price, and now big spikes to the downside. And I think this is bullish. Look at this. We are building now a bullish engulfing. And I think after this bullish engulfing, we may see a next leg to the upside. It's really possible. We can make one stuff, guys. Let me show you. We can zoom out a little bit more and we can make this one. This is our nice uptrend. A parallel uptrend from the downside. What is going on here? Yes, from the downside to the upside, and to this point. It's a green uptrend, and yes, we are in this uptrend. You can see it here. We had some problems with the middle line here, fighting with a long wick to the upside, sell power coming in, and now down again, taking deep breaths now maybe on the 51,000, 0.618 Fibonacci, and then the next leg to the upside. Yes, it's possible, but it's really dangerous now for the moment. It's really dangerous. It was a good rebuy point on 51,000. This was the Fibonacci. This was the support. Good rebuy. If you bought in here, you can wait now a little bit what's going on. Set a stop loss under the Fibonacci. If we fall down, okay, it's a little minus. But if we make a next big leg to the upside, you are now in the trade. Perfect. Congratulations. So this is it, guys. 5 minutes are over. A lot of things I would like to show you, but I will show you this tomorrow on the next 5-minute tuber update for Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can make millions, guys. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with your trades. Have a nice time. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Yours, BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Thank you, guys. Last but not least, thank you for all of your supports. Thank you so much. Thank you, Crypto Sharknado, for your support. This was really great. You spent me a big smile yesterday. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you, Higgy. Thank you, all other guys, for supporting me, giving me a thumbs up, giving me a nice comment. You are amazing, guys, with your help. I wish you will make millions. Guys, have a nice time. Yours, BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.
System activated.